Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. Don't forget, share and like.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Now then, where are we? I'm heading to the world famous Sunday night walking market. Well, we fell down a hole, slipped in some water. Now then, where are we? I'm heading to the world famous walking street market in Chiang Mai. Sorry. and have somebody bumped into me. Now then, where are we? I'm heading to the world famous Sunday night market in Chiang Mai. Never been before, and I'll probably never go again. I just want to have a look what it's about and get a little bit of footage. And then I fell down the curb. I've joined this tour, look. Just mingled in among them. I couldn't think of anything worse than being shepherded around by a guide. People not got any imagination to do something on their own. What all these people in green are doing. Now you come out of the Tapao gate and head down this road. I don't know what it's called, and just follow it down to the bottom. So I'm going to head down there. Already too many people, but I'll try and battle on through and make a short little video. But it's quite busy here. It's quite a famous night market. So let's see what happens. Let's cross the road now while we can and see what we can see on the world famous Chiang Mai Sunday night market. You've seen one market, you've seen them all. If you like a camel toe, this is the place to come. If you know what I mean. As you can see, it's very busy with tourists. It's quite busy in this temple grounds, all sat around eating some street food. There's all sorts of smells that are absolutely fantastic. Some characters. Anirai? Anirai?
Khao soi.
Khao soi.
Yeah, khao soi. Khaoขาหมู pork leg with rice.
Okay, thank you. Khao mu. Masaman?
Yes,
Masaman.
gai.
Masaman gai. Okay, thank you. Your little eggs there. Oh, the smells are absolutely fantastic. Nice little food area. An outdoor food court type of thing. The smells are absolutely tantalising is the word we're going to use. Tantalising on your appetite. But I'm not hungry yet. But maybe I'll get something in a little bit. Sorry, cup. Pet mai? Pet?
ไม่เผ็ดพี่พอดี
Mu?
หมูไส้อั่ว
Okay, thank you.
no spicy
Not spicy. There's some cool stuff here if you're into that sort of thing. It looks nice, you know, but you can't buy everything. There is some very, very nice crafts, we'll call them, because that's what they are. Wallets, belts, ornaments, bags, everything you could ask for. To be honest, this place is a photographer's dream. It is fascinating. If you want to spend a few hours with your decent camera, coming round and photographing things and people. Even a videographer, fantastic. It's just endless. The images you can see, endless. Sorry, Cap. He caught me looking at him. Sorry, Cap. Thank you.
This sauce spicy?
Right, I've got myself a pork and a chicken thingamajig, kebabs, skewers. It's alright, a little bit spicy. Chicken at the top, pork at the bottom with some sort of spicy sauce. It's got like coriander in as well, really tasty. So obviously, I'm just going to eat these now. I'm not going to film it all, but 15 baht each. Tasty though. Very good. My word, that chilli at the end has assassinated my tongue and my lips. Can't feel them. Delicious though. Just get original, I don't want spicy or sour. I got myself this, it's like a sausage. Humour or something he said, I can't remember now. It's just the original, not spicy or sour. It's alright, but a little bit fatty for me. It's alright, 25 baht. I've escaped the maddening crowds. Go down here, take a right. Had a few little bits of food, alright. Although them sausages weren't really for me, it's alright. Can't like everything though. So another 160 metres down this road, take a right, see what happens. Now then, where are we? I said that alright, didn't I? I slurred it a little bit. I'm in Chiang Mai, heading to 7-Eleven, and then I'm going to go to my loom with a bit of food. A good night again. Sat with quite a few girls. It's all a game, it's all a game. Owen, not Mal. I can't say what I want to say.
Why you won't make me?